getting to a slightly panicky stage now. I've actually got nothing growing in the tunnel yet. So I want to put melons. I think this year it's just going to be melons, tomato, cucumbers, peppers, and I think that's going to be it for the tunnel this year. Last time I tried the sweet corn, which went sky high, and I might just leave all the other roots for outside and just concentrate on those in here this time. So let me show you what I've done. So I've finally dismantled my polytunnel that blew down. Everybody's getting everything tidied up now, so I thought I'd better keep mine tidy. So I've disconnected all the bars, and I still want to try and reuse it. So what I have done on these two beds here, if you can see this, I'll do it this way so you can see it. I have put these two frames here, and I can't decide whether I'm going to put tomatoes in these, because this is quite fresh manure. It's been there three months or so, maybe a couple of months. But last year my tomatoes worked alright in there, or in another one up there. But either that or squashes. What do you think would be good? And I can grow up these frames. Let me know. So anyway, I've used another bit in the polytunnel for my melon. So let me show you that. So I've used part of the polytunnel here, and I've got a couple of canes holding it up. I might also attach a bit to the bar at the top, and then I intend to put some string from the bottom bar up to the top bar, all the way along this bar. And hopefully the melons can grow out there. I want more melons this year, so I'm not sure whether there's going to be enough space, but I need to get some sorted, because my melons are growing now quite good. That's the melons here, so I want them to get in the ground soon. So this is the plan. I'm just going to go put this string from up here to down. I'm going to get it in the bed. Around here. A couple of times. And then back up again. And continue this all the way along. What do we reckon? Should work, shouldn't it? What do you think? Let me know before I put my melons in. Don't really know how good, how much space to put them in. I see a lot of people do this with their their runner beans. Just string. I think it should work. I think that looks quite good actually. Just need to grow the melons. It'll be one of the hardest jobs. Or keeping them alive. So how's it look? Sun's just coming up now. Start warming up. Lovely part of the morning this. Get stuff done. This soil, although it's not been watered, is still very moist. So that should be good. So enjoy having this tunnel. Even on a cold day like today, it's still nice. Everybody at home's in bed and I'm out doing stuff. Just tie this in a bit. The old birds singing out there. So how's that? What do you reckon? Cool? Great job done. So this is one of the melons. This is melon F1 Ema. So I'm going to stick this straight in the ground. And we've got another 3 growing. These ones did get eaten by the mice when they were in the grow room hut thing, but we might have a few more coming out now. So I'm just literally digging a little hole by the string, putting it in there and giving it a cover, so now it can grow up. I was going to pot it up, but I'm going to leave it as it is now and see what happens. So this one is Emily. No, it's not Emily. Ema F1 for the record. So this is my Alderman peas, and these were planted 22nd of the 2nd, and they're just storming high. Look at those. So I need to get these ready for the ground. So I need to prepare the ground. So I better go and do that now. So this is what we did with the peas last year, and it worked quite well. So, 2 minds whether to do it again or not. So I've just quickly given my little pea bed a little bit of a border here. I've got no screw or no nails, and I've lost my hammer. So I can't make a little bed. I wanted to make a little square bed, but at the moment I'm just going to do this. It's going to be all fenced round with the netting, so I'm just going to leave it like this for the moment. And I can see my potatoes that I've left in the ground are sprouting now, so that's got to be dealt with. Oh, I just hate digging. So this is the Alderman peas. This is 1 month, and they're going great. These are really good. I'm so pleased with them. I recommend them to anybody. They're just so big, grow so quick. So anyway, let's get these in the ground. And that's my alderman peas. Well, I've just sat on my chair and it's just broke. Oh well, that's that out. I think that one's for the bonfire. So as we have rabbits and sometimes deer and a few other critters here, we do have to cover most things up, otherwise they just get eaten. So I'm just literally putting this scaffolding netting around, just cable tying it, putting it all around the base. And hopefully it will stop something coming round. So just literally with a bamboo cane, I'm just threading the cable tie around the bamboo cane. And so that's another job done. For a bit of health and safety, I've got these old play balls, just cut a hole on them and stuck them on the end. So that's the alderman peas. Looking forward to eating them. So let's go and sow some more. So after a good morning doing my peas, it's time for a coffee. And yes, I still got my pink flask. So let's do some more alderman peas. Just spent the morning sorting out the bed. So now I did Alderman 22nd of the 2nd, and they're already in the ground. So now I'm going to plant a second lot so we can have another go. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. Thank you very much. Keep safe everybody, and keep growing. That's all we can do. Thank you very much. Cheers for now.